We gonna make paper squishies. 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 Hit you up, hit you in the club. Okay, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I have a special guest named Nakel, my cousin, and we're making paper squishies. As you could tell by this song, you know we hitting it up lit.
We make paper squishies.
Let's make paper squishies. So
Okay.
so,
Tell them what we're gonna make.
So I'm gonna be making a bag of Doritos first, and she's gonna make Mountain Dew, and we're gonna show them our. So these are my two that I made. I made this raggedy. This was my first one, and I made a Pop-Tart, and then I made a thing of popcorn.
Okay. So I make this donut with the outside crust and sprinkles in the strawberry frosting. I make my sister. I'm not telling her name because I want it to be private. Okay.
Her name is Naija.
Oh yeah. Okay. And she has purple lipstick. She has black hair. You might think she's naked, but she's actually wearing a crop top because she always does that in real life. So those
By the way, her real name is not Naija. We're just gonna say Naija because we don't want to say her real name. So that you're welcome, Naija. Okay. So what you're gonna be needing are markers or crayons, which we have more. We're gonna need tape
and cotton
and paper. So we're gonna actually show you how much markers and crayons and tape we have. That's a lot of cotton and paper. So I'm going to make a bag of Doritos, and I make mine a little different. She folds her paper because she's new at it, but she's really good at drawing. So she's making Mountain Dew, and I'm not. I'm making a bag of Doritos. I think I told you guys.
Where's that green one? Darn.
And we have our own scissors. Like, these are mine, and she has a pair. She lives like literally across the street from me, so we do like everything together, mostly.
I don't know how to draw a thing of Doritos. I mean, not Doritos. Mountain Dew. I'm just gonna.
But just look up a picture on your phone.
I'm just making one of those like.
No, just look up a picture on your phone, Miguel.
Fried. This is ugly.
What? Just look up a picture on your phone. That's all you have to do. She has an iPhone 6. I have the iPhone SE.
SE. Huh?
No, I mean the iPhone 6.5. I have the iPhone 6. Don't know, Nicole. Yeah. We'll have iPhone 6.
My phone is literally on 4%.
Put it on a charger.
Pictures of
Mountain
Dew.
Nicole, put it on a charger. You got your charger? You got your charger, Nicole? Here, just use my pouch. Just use my charger. Hurry up, before your phone die. Here. Put it on the charger. Put it in there. Okay. You could do the can. You don't have to do that one. Okay, so I want to start with my bag of Doritos. So I'm gonna start off with the red to draw my outline of my bag.
I don't understand. I'm gonna start off with the red, but I could search the web for it.
She's dumb. But I knew one.
Search up paper squishy Mountain Dews.
Here's what I found.
Here, just go on YouTube and look. Yeah, just go on YouTube. Like, she's dumb. Like,
Not me, the Siri.
yeah, Siri, not you.
I know
make-
times.
Huh?
I know times.
Sometimes.
I only know the 0, 1s, and 2s. Yeah. I know 3s too. Paper squishy Mountain Dew. Those are Doritos.
If you click on a Dorito, it might show you paper squishy ones. You never know. Okay,
So, I forgot how to spell Doritos. I feel dumb. Q spell Doritos. Search up Doritos for me. Search up Doritos for me. Oh. Hold up. Wait, I need to write it on the piece of paper. Oh crap. I don't got no paper by me. Wait. Okay. Now you can finish looking. Wait. Do. I'll go to the Doritos, see if it shows right.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making this Doritos paper squishy.
I don't believe in this. Mountain Dew paper squishies. Don't mind our handwriting and stuff, because sometimes our pictures don't look the best, but you don't have to make fun of them in the comments. Or you could just draw any drink, Nicole. You could just do any drink. It doesn't really matter if it's Doritos or not. I mean, not Doritos. You know what I meant. Just draw anything. You can draw a Pepsi in a can. Doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna redo it. And my bag of Doritos already suck. I don't like them. But wait, where are the scissors? Where do you put the scissors on? Alright, so I'm actually about to fix my O's and my S. And I don't care if my S gets cut off. I just cut that little end off. Now I'm gonna make the... So, we are not probably gonna be paying attention to you guys at all. I did a part 1. I didn't say part 1, but I'm just gonna call this a part 2. And if you did watch that video, you saw me making like a donut, I believe, thing, or you guys saw me doing a Pop-Tart. And I didn't finish it on camera. Actually, cut camera off.
My foot's out of my shoe, and it's like at the bottom, it's literally like coming off.
Ew.
It's dirty coming off.
Well, it doesn't matter. Just don't peel it off. Just don't peel it off. So I'm actually making my Doritos kind of my way. Hopefully nobody calls me, then our video is gonna shut off. But okay, Doritos. Then there's like 2 chips on the Doritos, right?
Yeah.
Show me a picture of Doritos.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images.
I'm gonna do the party size ones. Okay, I could do that, right?
Okay.
What?
Pictures of Mountain Dew.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
Okay, let's just try to draw a triangle.
I'm doing good, JJ. I'm doing the one with the little bumps on the side.
I'm not doing like the best at this, you guys. But we're trying, okay?
Mine's just good, I think.
Let me see.
So I'm starting with the Mountain Dew. Right there.
I'm starting with the Doritos. I'm not really gonna let you guys see mine all the way until I'm done.
Wait, I forgot to do the other side. Show me a picture of Mountain Dew.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
I just did
Here
the
are some
other
images
side.
from the web.
Oh, I forgot to do the other side with the other bumps. Okay.
Can I search up Doritos again?
Yes.
Show me a picture of Doritos.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos.
Party size. Okay. So I have to write nacho and cheese. Crap. Please don't change it because I, like, right now. I'm not right now, though. Okay. Tell me if I'm doing good or does mine look ugly? For a second, I thought somebody was calling you. Do mine look kind of good, Nico? Yeah, I think it looks good. But the S is kind of weird. I know. Don't look at that. Okay, let's just fix that, like, and just, like, try to draw that, like, nice. There we go. Doritos. And then we need to write party size. Really? Okay, let's find. I need to look at Mountain Dew real quick. I'm stupid for a second. What do you need to write? I need to see how it's like how the lines are. See the design. Show me a picture of Mountain Dew.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
Okay. Matter of fact, why do people take pictures and put them on the web about Mountain Dew? Exactly, you dumb people. Like, you want to fight? Absolutely. I need to zoom in. Okay, so I need to learn how to draw them chips, but Nikhil, like, kind of cut me off real quick. So that's okay, but she cut me off. So. See, just gonna... That's a fat pencil. I actually stole it from school. This boy had it. But he forgot it, so I'm gonna we'll just take it. But he never said give me it back when I showed him. And he said I can have it, so I just kept it. Okay. So you guys do not want to know what you're sitting on right now. You guys are sitting on a baby doll toilet. Oh no. You guys should be embarrassed for me watching this on the toilet. We're not really on the toilet. Yeah, you're not really on the toilet, but still. We're on a baby doll toilet. But we're on the floor. So you guys are salty, and we're not. Because you're basically watching this on a toilet. We're seeing this on a toilet. Okay, now. Okay. Now go back to Doritos when you're done. Okay. That kind of looks like a O. Wait, I'm just going to do the letters in black first. Black crayon. I broke my black. Now when we draw with the black, it's kind of going to look ugly because we don't have a full black crayon. So just use the black marker. Plus, marker won't go through crayon, so. I have to do the background with marker. It's going to be so complicated. Oh my god. Because it's kind of coming together a little bit. Not much, but it's
now
coming together.
I need a dark green and a light green. So how am I going to do that?
Just get the dark green marker and then
I don't have a dark green marker.
I mean dark green crayon.
You know what? I'm just going to draw all of them.
But for the Mountain Dew, is that gonna... Mountain Dew and Doritos are actually kind of nasty together, to be honest. When you put the Mountain Dew in your mouth, then you ate a Dorito, you're gonna throw up, people. So never try that.
Then how do you know? Have you tried it before?
Yes. It's disgusting.
Who told you to do it?
It was a dare. Wait, you don't have an orange marker?
I do.
Like, where? Now it's time to draw some ratchet Doritos.
Do you need to Doritos again?
Yeah.
Doritos.
Did you accidentally summon me?
Look what she said.
I know, I've heard her.
No, look.
Do you knows?
Doritos.
Pictures. Show me a picture of Doritos.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library.
Yeah.
Here are some.
No, there. Thank you.
Mine is gonna look so ratchet. What about you guys? So comment down below if you know what the word ratchet means.
I know.
I know what it means. And comment down below if you think ours is going to turn out good. Okay, we have a nice thing for you, okay? So, we're going to give you the 3-second challenge to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications hint. If you did it under 3 seconds, and if you say hi in the comments after you do the challenge, I will give you a complete giveaway on nail polishes, everything, because I didn't do my
If you're a
last
girl,
video.
not a boy, not a boy.
I also have basketballs and stuff like that. So, let's give you the countdown. 1, 2, 3. Smack that like button.
Ow.
If you didn't get to do
You
it,
just smacked
that's-
me.
Oh. And so, yeah, let's get finishing this video.
Bob.
Bop, Millie, bop, bopper in the. Okay, I was doing this one TikTok, and it was funny. So, it was something about, I forgot what it said, but it was hilarious. So this girl, it was like, oh God, I forgot it. You got TikTok on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I just look on my account real
JJ,
quick?
you know how you first start TikTok and it's not letting you like post any pictures?
Yeah.
That many videos? I can't even like look up people.
Look, you did. You just put it on drafts on accident.
Nuh-uh, that was on purpose because I can't post.
Unavailable. You have to, first of all, you have to update TikTok.
But how am I gonna update it?
So you go to your, where's your app store at?
Go to there, right there where the 3 is. Slide over.
Why does she have everything in boxes?
Because I want to keep my stuff organized. Okay.
Currently, features unavailable. What? That's dumb. Why is it? Wait, I'm gonna have to. Who set up your account? You?
Yeah. My first one, my cousin Armani did it.
I'm sorry I have to do this, but I'm about to log you out, and then I'm gonna put you back in and see what happens, okay? And we're gonna give you a whole new account, okay?
Okay.
Just give you.
September 13th.
No, we're gonna give you a fake one.
It's happening,
4,
JJ.
4, 5, 8,
JJ,
7,
look,
8,
it's
6,
happening.
What? Oh, look, yeah.
No, it's disgusting.
Okay, 7946. 7946. I hope it don't put you on my account. If it does, that'd be totally weird. I'm not putting you on my account.
But I do not want to use the fans. They're like, ew. Did you get? Are you different? Like,
Exactly,
you
like
ugly.
create an account. Nicole Jones.
Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You put it to 10 backwards.
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How you spell Nicole?
N-I-K-E. Oh, no, I have a capital K.
No matter.
And you forgot my 2 L's. I was like, and you forgot my 2 L's. gender.
You're. Sorry, you guys. Let's do a part 3 of this now. You're a woman. She's a female. Okay, we're gonna do a part 2, you guys. Okay.
This is a part 2.
I mean part 3.